So our next topic is the present continuous. Present continuous. The present continuous हम कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं? It is used for something happening at the time of speaking. जब हम बोल रहे हैं तब कुछ हो रहा है तो हम present continuous use करते हैं. When we want to talk about something that is happening at the time we are speaking, जो अभी चल रहा है तब हम क्या use करते हैं? We use present continuous. In order to emphasize the time of speaking, we often use adverbs and adverb phrases of present time, like at the moment, just now, just, etc. We are having a meeting, come and join in. So हमारी meeting चल रही है. We are having a class, come and join it immediately. ठीक है? So this is how we use these words for something happening at the time of speaking. What is he doing? वो क्या कर रहा है? He is looking out of the window. वो window से बाहर देख रहा है. I am feeling very tense just now. Very tense. So अभी मैं tense feel कर रहा हूँ. To emphasize the present moment. अभी की moment जो हम कर रहे हैं उसको emphasize. If you want to emphasize the present moment or to indicate that a situation is temporary, you use the present continuous. Present continuous को आप use करो as I am working as a teacher. She is spending the summer in Ooty, right? So जब आप present moment के लिए emphasize कर रहे हो कि वो अभी क्या कर रही है, she is spending her time. I am working as a teacher. मैं teacher की तरह काम कर रहा हूँ, right? Planned future action. What do you mean by this planned future action? Planned future action होता है जो आपने plan किया है. This tense is used to refer to activities planned for the future. जो आपने plan किया है but for the future. So we are going to have a debate next Saturday. अगले Saturday हम debate करने वाले हैं. I am meeting you at the railway station tomorrow. मैं कल आपको railway station पे मिलने वाला हूँ. To indicate progressive change. Progressive change जब हम indicate करते हैं. The present continuous is also used to indicate the changes, trends, development and progress. जो हम changes, trends और development और progress को use करते हैं. Progressive change minded, not every change. So my handwriting is improving. So ये progress हो रही है, यानी कि अच्छा काम होने जा रहा है. The situation is changing, but the atmosphere is disturbed. World energy demand is increasing. World की जो energy की demand है वो बढ़ रही है. To denote frequent actions. जब आप frequent actions denote करते हो, frequent action मतलब बार बार होने वाली चीजें, frequently. So this tends together with adverb of frequency. कैसे? Always. Repeatedly, बार बार, constantly, same, forever, हमेशा, can be used to emphasize how often the action takes place. इसको आप use कर सकते हो emphasize करने के लिए कि action कैसे होता है. This is often done. ये कैसे होता है? To express the disapproval or annoyance. या तो disapproval के लिए, यानी कि आप उस चीज को पसंद नहीं कर रहे हो या आप annoyed हो. इन सब चीजों को करने के लिए आप frequent actions को denote कर सकते हो. You're always looking for faults. आप हमेशा कसूर देखते रहते हो. So are always looking. So which sentence is this? Which tense is this? This is present continuous tense. She is always talking to him on the telephone. वो हमेशा उससे फोन पे बात करती रहती हैं. They are forever being knocked down by their opponents. वो हमेशा उनके opponent से knock down रहते हैं. ठीक है? Habitual actions. What do you mean by habitual actions? We read the habitual actions ऊपर भी. So habitual. If you want to talk about a habitual action that takes place regularly, habitual होता ही वो है जो बार बार regular होता है. Especially one which is new, लेकिन वो नया है या temporary है. You use the present continuous tense. So आप उसमें present continuous use कर सकते हो. So आप क्या बोलते हो? Do you know if she is still playing golf these days? क्या आपको पता है कि वो अभी भी golf खेल रहे हैं? He is seeing a lot of हिंदी films these days. वो इन दिनों बहुत सारी हिंदी फिल्में देखते हैं. So habitual action है ना, बहुत सारी हिंदी फिल्में देखते हैं, यानी कि something which is happening since past and is still continuing. The difference in the meaning between the following two sentences. इन sentences में क्या difference है? Anita always take part in sports. So Anita जो है वो हमेशा sports में part लेती है. Anita is always taking part in sports. सो वो हमेशा लेती रहती है. So sentence one में क्या है? We used simple present. It implies that Anita regularly take part in sports. जब भी required होता है, when required to do so. जब आप यानी कि जब उसको पता लगता है वो स्पोर्ट्स में पार्ट ले लेती है. लेकिन सेंटेंस टू में क्या डिफरेंस है? The present continuous implies that Anita spends too much time. यानी कि वो अभी भी ले रही है, यानी कि more than the time expected to be spent on sports. जितना टाइम उसको स्पेंड करना चाहिए वो उससे भी ज्यादा टाइम स्पोर्ट्स में देती है. सो दैट दिस इज वेयर द डिफरेंस लाइज, सेंटेंस वन एंड सेंटेंस टू. सो गाइस, दिस इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस